Here, this is the chikanapud I harvested. I was here 5 days ago, and I posted a video where I harvested one of the mushroom which was from here. And these on that day they were like very small baby mushroom. And now I come back here in 5 days, and they have fully grown now. And on top here too, they were small baby which we didn't harvested. But I do feel like maybe instead of waiting 5 days, I should have waited only 3 days and then come back in 3 days. So maybe in the future I will do that, because here it's a little bit hard but still soft. They're still, yeah, this, yeah, a little bit hard than what I did last time. So so that is it. And so it's growing on this big tree from earlier. And those two. And so we're gonna pick all of this right now. So we'll cut it just the side. We're gonna cut it from here just that way, and we're gonna leave the remaining the mushroom so to see if they're gonna grow back. People say that they do grow back if we cut it, if we don't cut up the whole thing. So they will grow. So we're gonna check it, how long it takes for them to regrow it. So we'll leave it there. We'll leave it, half of it here, and most of the front part we're gonna cut it out right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut them like here, like that. Yeah, I think this is easiest. Yeah, you want to cut like this, and then we're just gonna collect them here, put them here. So yeah, you want to do like how I showed you, right here. Here, go ahead and put them here. Use one hand to hold it and one hand to cut it. Go ahead. Here's my daughter cutting the cutting up the mushroom. Here, I'll take it. I'll put it here. I'm just putting it here. Yeah, so we're gonna leave. Let me see how. Yeah, this is a little bit soft. Cut it like here. I see a little soft. Yeah, like that. And hold the whatever part you're cutting. Hold it so that way it doesn't fall down. That's why you cut the whole thing. Like you have to cut it all the way, the whole piece. Okay. Let me see. You can cut this one. Yeah, like maybe here. Cut it there. Just leave it. Oops, sorry. Because I'm gonna cut. This is also going in the. Yeah, I don't know. See how big. See this because it doesn't have a space, so it's going inside the wood here. But it's okay. We don't have to take it. But I'm gonna. Oops. I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to break it. That's why I'm trying to do it right there. I think this is the one big one. Mm. Yeah. But I don't want to pull off. Oh wow. Yeah, it's the one whole thing. Oh yeah, look at it. Wow. See, oh God, it's one whole thing. This whole thing. Nice. So Yeah, so look at the milky. I just cut up the whole thing. We could have done it from, and this is the one I picked it 5 days ago, and this one is right there, and this here, and those we still need to harvest those. So let me get to those. Same thing, I'm gonna do those. Oops. Oh, I see. Oh, I guess I left it there. And this one, I'm gonna, same thing. I'm gonna cut it here. I guess it's, oh, this one I messed up. I'm gonna leave it here, but it's not, wood is not connected. Yeah, I messed up that too. That one is not, this is just the front. Okay, so here's the first part we harvested, and here's the two right there, and we got this much so far. And here's my daughter's holding it, how much chicken of the wood we got it.